Hi, short video demonstrating where to find and how to fill out the EIBE purchase requisition forms, both for purchase card orders and purchase orders. Both forms are located on our SharePoint site at the URL on screen. If you don't have access to this, you can either contact myself, David Price, or my colleague Abdi, and we'll give you access. Depending on which type of purchase order you're requiring, whether it's a purchase card or a purchase order requisition form, they're separate forms. They are slightly different, but they are both just Excel templates, and they're in separate SharePoint folders. We will just demonstrate filling one of them in. The process for filling the other in is exactly the same. It's just a detail that differs very slightly. So here we are at the EIBE Finance SharePoint site. And you can see the two separate folders for the purchase card orders here and purchase orders here. So we'll go into just one of them. We'll look at purchase cards. So we're going to click into the folder. We see here that the default view with all of the existing forms on the system grouped by which section of the department they come from. So if we're going to add a new document, create a new purchase card requisition, we're going to click on the Documents tab at the top of the screen, and then we're going to click in the New Document box. We'll OK that dialog box. Excel will open. Standard template opens, and you'll see immediately that this is a little bit different in that we've got these three these drop boxes appearing at the top of the form. These are allowing us to attach metadata to the forms so that we can sort the forms afterwards. Very simple. Drop down arrow, select your name off the list. Drop down, select which section of the department you're in, and click a drop down for the current financial year. Thereafter, it's simply a case of filling the purchase order requisition form in as you would in the normal course of events. When you're done, click the Save button at the top of the box, and we're always going to save it back to a SharePoint site and to the current SharePoint site. So we'll click in there. We can give our form a name, and we can click Save. If we go back to the SharePoint site, we can see our new purchase card requisition form there, filed away in the external project assurance team, and it's got a little new flag against it. If we needed to, we could go back in and edit that form. We could open it up simply by clicking on Open, Edit, and that form will then open in Excel again. One very quick gotcha that's going to cause problems: when you go to the SharePoint site, don't click the Add New Document button at the bottom. That'll just open a blank Excel file. You need to click the Documents tab and then New Document to create a new one. That's it. Thanks for watching.